So this bag was such a game changer. I traveled for a month in Europe and I was able to pack 5 pairs of shoes in here. It has so many pockets. The material is easily able to be cleaned. So we'll start with the big pocket. It has a huge like center compartment. It has a side zipper pocket with like plastic lining so it can be washed. 2 inside pockets. It has a place where if you wanted to put your charging box here and your cord. A big side pocket, back pocket, another side pocket, and a front pocket. This one I got makeup spilled all in it and I was able to clean it out. It's a little stained, but it came out for the most part and it didn't get on anything else. And then it has a strap so you can put it on your luggage. It has the small handles that you could button together. And then it has a big strap, which, I mean, it's not the most comfortable, but it was better than nothing. Big, thick, whatever these are. And then this down here was like the best thing ever. So it actually came with 2 of these. And I packed a pair of hiking boots, a pair of combat boots, a small pair of Chucks, and like 3 pairs of sandals. And it worked. Now it kind of like folds over and it makes your bag a little wonky, but hey, beats paying for extra weight in your luggage. Another thing is I had to check this bag in a couple times and it got dirty with all of the other luggage, and I was able to put it in the washer and I put it on cold and wash it with normal detergent and hung to dry. And it looks pretty good. Still looks brand new. This bag has been through some things, but it was definitely worth it.
Okay, let's see what we got in the mail today from Prime. Packed well. Oh good. I got my Sombra. It is a cool pain relief for strains and sore muscles. I saw this advertised and thought we'd give it a try since I have a lot of sore muscles. And it's wrapped up real good in cellophane so it won't spill out. And then I got this cute little bag. It's an overnight bag. Plain color. And it's still very well. And well, perfect for carry on or overnight. The ETRONIK brand, and it has a little place to carry your shoes. Places to put things, place to put on the suitcase. Nice little canvas tags. Very happy with it. There you go.
So I've already used this bag. I'm quite in love with it. The bottom zipper is great. It goes all the way around, so you get this really huge pocket, which is very nice. The front has a really great, easily accessible pocket there. You have the charger with, of course, the cord on the inside to plug in a power bank, and then you could put your phone in this pocket and charge right there without fretting. It has the big pockets inside. One thing I did wish it had would be a way to like secure a laptop on the side without it falling over. It does not have that, but this does have a lined pocket so that if you have anything that spills in here, it does feel like it would actually kind of protect the bag really well. The other side has the other big zipper pocket as well, and then the back does fit on a handle with the like security pocket, so to speak. The only, like I said, the only complaints I have is that it doesn't have a way to hold a laptop like secure on the side. And these handles are like ridiculously long for the bag itself. Like it would have been nice if they were more like this, just for ease when you're carrying from strap to this. Like that's a kind of a stretch. But overall, I am stinking in love with it. I do utilize it already. I bought it for a trip, and I've already been using it just in, you know, running around. So definitely would buy it again.
This came with 2 very large shoe bags, which I think is really cool. Here's the bag, very good size. I don't know how to do this with one hand. There's the inside of the bag. Comfy little strap. Lots of side pockets. And then the area down there below for shoes. This is a terrible video, but overall just wanted to show the size, size of the bag. It's a good looking bag. Highly recommend.